Hey everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, we are gonna be doing a DIY or transformation of our old clothes to something new. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first piece that I will be showing you is this cute pants. I know this can still be used as it is, but let's just be creative and do something while we are still on quarantine. So let's start with this. So I have here my shorts, my high-waisted shorts, and let's put it this way. I wanted it here to be cut, but let's put some space. Maybe there will be a problem. So I have my chalk. All we need to do is cut this and combine this together and stitch. Afterwards, we will be putting the garter with the help of safety pin, and it's done. Next piece that I will be showing you is this skirt. This one is from the long skirt of my mom. Then akong gipangayo kay I think I can still use this one para mahimo siya og tube. So let's go. So right now I have the materials. This the needle and the thread. These cute little buttons. I have 5, but I will just be showing 2. The safety pin and the garter, and I'm Mati. Hi. So all we need to do is get this skinning white things here, and then fold and stitch and put the garter. Afterwards, the buttons right here, and we're done. Because I did not use these buttons, and see for the next video of the result. The third piece that I will be showing you is too common because of TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or in Twitter. So it's a polo shirt. This one is from my daddy. Ni-ask ko niya if I can use this, and he said, and let's go! Alright guys, right now I have my chalk to put some sign kung asan ako ganun papunta. So, let's see. garter with a safety pin. Now, the last piece that I will be showing you is these Turno cute pieces. But unfortunately, I don't have the before photo or video of this because I wasn't thinking na maghimo ko og DIY or transformation of the old clothes to something new. And that's it. This one is the skirt from the long dress. And correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one is a bralette, and it's so cute at the back. It's a backless. So from the long dress to these cute little pieces. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this vlog, and I do hope that you guys enjoyed watching and love what we transformed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. But don't forget to hit the like button down below and comment in the comment section. Bye!